Yeah, so this is a video on how 3D printer work. So this is actually from Amazon. When we order it will come as separate parts we have to assemble it. So it's kind of we have to learn about that. So I was forced to learn about 3D printers and I built this one. So actually the main board, motherboard would be in here, and you can see the HD card in there. We are inserting it there. So that actually communicates with two of the motors, this one and the other one in the back. So that one and this one will be connected to the motherboard, and that tells to how far it has to move. So you can see there is a roller here. So this roller will be controlled by this motor here and telling it has to move that side or this side, and then the back one will be controlling the bed. So you can see the bed will be moving back and front. So that is this you can see, right? This is actually pulled by that motor. The motor is pulling this that belt down, front and back. And also this there is another third motor for this one that would also be connected to the motherboard, and also that would eventually no I think there is another connection. Yeah, there is another connection which should come to the extruder also. So there is another two things here. So this extruder connection is for how much faster the fan has to spin, and also how much heat it has to generate in the extruder. And then this is to pull the filament. So you can see this filament is here, and this filament would be pulled there. You can see that there will be two spinners. So these two spinners, like it will, like a finger, it will pull from there. So that one will be pushed into this small wire, I mean this cable, and that will come to the filament heater, and that heater would heat the filament, and at the same time that thing will be pushing it. So that will come out, and that would be coming out in here. So that's how a 3D printer works. And also there's settings you can internally it has a settings to how fast the fan has to spin. The thing is it has to spin the right amount of speed to heat, as well as to keep it under right temperature. um, and yeah, that's it, I think. Mostly, yeah. And another thing is, this is the power cable. You can see it's connected to the PCU. So actually it's not touched there. There will be too much static current there, so if you touch you might get shocked a bit. And that would come to the motherboard. That power would go to the motherboard. Yeah, you can see the I think that is for motherboard to this monitor. So that is the color cables. I think there is a main cable going behind, which would come to the motherboard, and motherboard will decide how fast other things has to spin, and also the power supply as well. Yeah, that's it.